morning everyone. Welcome to Vista's learning classes. I'm your Max tutor Shruthi. Well, to say about our channel, we at Vista's Learning provide free education to concentrate all the sections of society. And it is not only right to education, we are striving hard to redefine this. It is right to quality education. And our services are We Learning, We SMS and We Talk. We Learning, where you can find many animated concepts in it, and VSMS, where you can track the student's progress, and We Talk, it's a one-to-one session between the student and the mentor. Hold on, we have our math department motto, that is, you have to always keep on learning, no matter what. You can learn from your surrounding also. It is not only from the book. Now, let us come to our session. In the previous sessions, what have we dealt? We have dealt something about numbers, isn't it? Yes, we have seen a new place value, that is hundreds place, right? Yes, among this we have seen the missing numbers also. Yes, from 101 to 1000. Yes, what is the least 3-digit number? It is 100. What is the greatest 3-digit number? It is 999. I hope you remember. If not, please go back to my previous session and have a look, but not now. Now, let us move further. What are the topics we are going to learn in this session? Now, we will be learning something about identifying the number and jumping steps. You have to identify where the number falls. You have to identify where the number falls. Next, jumping steps. What is jumping steps? We'll be learning now. Succeeding number and the preceding number. Ma'am, I have heard this in English. Yes, you would have heard suffix and prefix. But in mathematics, it is called as succeeding number and the preceding number. And the last concept is ascending and descending order. This is where many of the students go wrong. But don't worry, we at Vistas Learning always there for you to make the concepts easy. Now, let's have a look. Identifying the number. The clue is between and near. This is the clue being given. Let me take any number. Let me take 99. Where is the number falling? This is a 2-digit number. Obviously, you will tell. It is falling between 90 and 100. I hope you know this one. So, it is falling between 90 and 100. Now, can I ask you a question? To which number it is near? It is very near to 100. So, it is very near to 100. Now, in the same way, suppose let me take 353. Where is this number falling? This number is falling between, you have to go to the preceding numbers and the succeeding numbers. Make sure that you always tell with the 0 at the ending. That is, it is falling between 352. 352, well, what is the last thing? That is 360. Can you tell, ma'am? Yes, it is falling from 300 to 400. Yes, you can tell this also. Not a problem. It is not the mandatory that you have to tell within the 10 digits itself. You can take the 100 numbers also. Not a problem. Now, for a question, what is 402? Keep a guess. You can comment in the comment section also. 402 falls between, let me take the hundreds place value since we are learning regarding hundreds place value. So, 402 falls between 400 and 500. If you want to tell only the 10-digit numbers, it is falling between 401 to 410. I hope now this is very easy for you. You might get many questions regarding this, based on the question on between and near. Now, let's move to the next one, that is jumping steps. What is jumping steps? Well, it is the same as you climb the steps. So, suppose let me say you are climbing the step. 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this goes on. You want to jump one step extra. If you are in this place, you are jumping one step extra. So, you might reach third step. If you want to again jump one step directly. So you might reach to the fifth step, right? In the same way itself, here in mathematics also. Now, forward direction and backward direction. Since this was single digit number, you were able to answer it. How about the 3-digit number, that is hundreds place value? So, the number starting from 100 to 999. We will play within this number itself. What is forward direction? Now, let me take some example. So, 101, 103, dash, 106, 103, 10. Let me take my eraser. Now, 101, 103, 10. What is the next number? 10. What is the difference between this? Just remember, 1 and 1 is same, 0 and 0 is same. Don't worry if you're not understanding after 100, 101, 102, 103, if you're not understanding this, don't worry. Just think 10, 10 is common over there. Next, what is the number 1? What is the next number? 3. Which is the jumping number? The jumping number is 2 over there. Now, here also you have to follow the same rule. So, what is the next number? 4. Should I need to write 4 over there? No. You have to jump that number. So, what is the next number? It is 10. Keep it as it is itself. 105. I hope now it is very clear. Now, 105. What is the next number? Should I need to jump that number? Yes, it is 6 number you have to jump. What is the next number? 107. Is the last number correct? Yes, 8 has been jumped. So, the last number is 109. I hope it is very easy. So, you are moving forward. This is called as forward direction jumping step. Let me take some example. So, how about 991, 992, dash, 995. What is the jumping number? Ma'am, I just don't know about 900. I just learned 100, 101, 102. Don't worry. If you don't know about 900, 901, 902, just think about the starting number. 999. Yes, it is same. Come to the tens place. 99. Yes, it is same. Which is the number that is being gone changing? It is in the units place. So, 1, 2. What is the next number? It is 3 in the units place. So, keep this number as it is, 993. Next, what is the next number? 990. What is the next number after 3? It is 4. Is the number matching next? Yes, it is matching. This is called as moving forward direction. Now, what is backward direction? What is backward direction? Backward is just coming back. The same way, it is the same way, but you are reversing it. That is, you are coming back. Let me take the single digit number. So, suppose 9, 9. I've come to the next topic. Okay. So, it is 9, dash, dash, 9, dash, dash, 6. What is the number over here? Ma'am, okay, I am able to understand, but let me think on it. Okay, please guess it, don't worry. By the time I will write. So, 9, what is the reverse number? That is the backward number. It is 9, 8, 7, 6. Is the number matching at the last? Yes, it is matching. Now, the same way, let's move to the 3-digit number since we have learned the hundreds place value. How about 3-digit number? 109, dash, 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 can you guess it? Yes, you can guess it. 105. What is the number? Ma'am, I just don't know to reverse the number. Don't worry. Just keep the number, starting number hundreds and tens place value same. Next, you have to go on changing but in the backward direction. So 9, before 9 what is the number? 8. Now before 8 what is the number? 107. Before 7 what is the number? 106. Is the number matching? So before 6 it is 5. Yes, it is matching. This is called as backward direction. So moving forward is just the number, just move with the flow. Coming backward is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3. This is how it moves on. Now we will be learning a new concept, that is succeeding number and preceding number. What is succeeding and preceding? Ma'am, I have heard similar word in English. Yes, in English it is somewhat similar, that is suffix and prefix. Suffix is moving forward. Prefix, the word behind any word or anything. So cooperation, here co is the prefix over there. Co-education, here the prefix is co over there. In the same way, in numbers also, we will be playing with this. Now, let me take any number. Let me take 99. What is the succeeding number? So, succeeding is the next number. What is the next number after 99? It is 100. What is the preceding number? Preceding is just the before. So, preceding number of 99 is 98. In the same way, you have to play with the 3-digit number because the entire chapter is about 3-digit number. So, 108. What is the succeeding number? Succeeding number is 109. So, preceding number is, what is before 8? It is 7. 107. You might get many questions on this. How about 981? What is the preceding number and the succeeding number? So, the succeeding number is 982. 982. I hope you remember how to read hundreds place value. Now, what is the preceding number? Preceding number 980. Now, what is the preceding number of 980? Well, it is 979. So, before 80, it is 79. Take the tens place value. Remember the 2-digit numbers. I hope it is very easy. So, what have we learned? We have learned 3 topics as of now. That is, identify the number, between, near. Next, jumping forward, that is moving forward direction and the backward direction. Next, succeeding and the preceding number. And the next concept is very, very important for all your standards, that is ascending order and descending order. Ma'am, what is ascending and descending? Well, just remember one thing. So, if you are moving from smaller number to greater number, it is called as ascending order. Descending from bigger number to smaller number. Ma'am, usually I get confused. Many of the students usually say this, ma'am, I can understand, but while writing the exam I get confused. Don't worry, I will tell you a small trick. How do you write A over there? A is written in the bottom portion. A is written from the bottom portion. You start from the bottom over here. Now, how is D written over here? D. How is D written over here? Starting from this direction. From the top to bottom portion. Now, just remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this goes on. Now, what are the numbers over there? It is all greater numbers. The bottom portion, all smaller numbers. Just remember, you are moving from smaller to greater and descending greater to smaller. Just remember A and D letter. How do you write it? Ma'am, I write in a different way. Okay, not a problem. But usually, this is a small trick we follow. So, bottom to top, again top to bottom. Let's play with the numbers now. Let's take some example. Let me take 521, 563, 534, next 598, next 400. 521, 563, 534, 598, 400. 598, 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400. 400 you have to arrange this in ascending and descending order. How do you arrange in ascending and descending order? Arranging ascending means smaller to bigger. Which is the smaller number among this? Ma'am, there are so many numbers. There are 5 also, there are 6 also, there are 4 also. First remember, always consider the hundreds place. 5, 5, 5, 5. Ma'am, everything is same. Okay, move on with the next. Next, 4. So, smaller number is 4 over there. So, write the entire number. You can write the entire number. No need to think of the further what are the numbers over there, because since as of the hundreds place value it is starting from the smaller number, you can go on with it. Now, what is the next numbers? Next all numbers are in 5. So, move to the tens place value. 2, 6, 3, 9. Among this, which is the smaller? Which is smaller? 2, 6, 3, 9. So, obviously 2 is smaller. Don't worry about the units place. Write the entire number over there. So, that is 521. This is which order I am writing? This is in ascending order, that is smaller to bigger. Next, after 2, what is the number? It is 5, 3, 4. Next, what is the number after 3? So, 2 we have written, 6 we have not written yet, 3, 9. What is the next number? It is 6. So, 5, 6, 3, comma. What is the left out number? 9. 9 is obviously greater. 598. You can just have a look in the previous sessions. So, we have learned 101, 102 and the missing numbers I have given you an assignment, that is 201, 202. The same way these numbers are coming from 100 to 1000, that is ascending order. So, smaller to bigger. The same question in descending order. No need to worry, just reverse the number. So, what is descending order? Greater to smaller. So, which is the greater number here? So, obviously 5 is greater, that is 5 is similar in all the things. 5, 5, 5 when compared to 4. What is the next number? 9. Next number 6. Next number 3, 2, 1. Just write it in a reverse format. So, 5, 9, 8, comma 5, 6, 3, comma 5, 3, 4, comma 5, 2, 1, comma, what is the last number? It is 400. I hope that was easy one. So, this is ascending order and this is descending order. So, ascending and descending, you should not forget this. You might get in all the standards based on these questions. So, till now we have learned 4 concepts. So, that is, what are the concepts? Ascending, descending, then preceding and succeeding, then jumping steps, then identifying the number, that is between and near. Yes, I hope the class was very useful. But hold on, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Well, we'll be learning in the more numbers, that is regarding the numbers we'll be learning, and that would be our end of the session in the next class. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.